So, why smart parents are choosing MBBS in Lithuania? Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to Higher Education Center, but rule overseas, where we promise students to place in universities that are either equivalent or better than IIT, IIM, and AIMS. So, I'll be very clear from the start that this video is not for students. This video is for parents who understand responsibility towards their child. Because choosing medicine is not about admission, it's about where your child will be standing at the age of 30 or 35 or the rest of their life. Today's smart parents are quietly moving away from the noise, pressure, and uncertainty, choosing Lithuania for MBBS. So let us explain why. Smart parents think beyond need and they think beyond uncertainty. So in India, the medical journey begins with uncertainty. 2 to 4 years of NEET preparation, no guarantee of a government seat, private college costing 1 to 2 crore, and then another rat race for PG even after MBBS. Career stability is delayed till 30s. And smart parents ask one question, that why should my child entire youth be spent in preparing for exams and pressure? And Lithuania offers direct MBBS entry, which means no national level of competition exams, structured European education, and clear medical pathways, predictable outcomes, and medicine becomes a profession, not a gamble. Second, smart parents choose systems, not struggles. Lithuania follows the European Union medical system. Strong academics and modern hospitals, advanced clinical exposure, research-based learning, disciplined, respectful training environment. Students are not treated as exam machines, but they are trained as future European doctors, and this means that this system creates a confidence in clinical maturity, professional discipline. These are things that no coaching institute can teach. Third is smart parents prioritize global career security. So an MBBS degree from Lithuania is EU recognized, which is valid over 30 plus developed countries accepted across the Europe. And you can practice directly as a doctor in countries like Luxembourg, Germany, and UK without the need of any licensing exams like LAB. And along with that, you have an access to do your PG from multiple developed countries. And while doing your PG, you can earn a stipend of 5 to 6 lakh rupees a month. So compare this to India, the Indian license is only valid in India, not even accepted in European countries. And smart parents want options, not limitations. And moreover, the PG seats and struggles continues in India even after MBBS. Fourth point, smart parents care about life at 30, not just college at 18. So by the age of 30 or 35, an Indian medical graduate is often still preparing for PV or paying back huge loans or stuck in overcrowded systems. A European medical graduate from Lithuania, clinically experienced, earning in strong currencies, working in structured healthcare systems, financially independent, and in countries like Germany or Switzerland, early career doctors earn around 2 to 3.5 crore rupees annually post this specialization, and this is not just luxury, it's also stability. So smart parents value safety, dignity, and mental peace. So Lithuania offers one of the safest environments in Europe, clean, peaceful student cities, and excellent public transport, strong law and order, respect for international students. Parents don't worry every night. Students do not live in survival mode. A calm environment recreates better doctors. Let's be very honest. Choosing MBBS in Lithuania is not about showing society, following trends, and escaping India. It's about protecting your child from lifelong uncertainty. And smart parents don't choose the hardest road for the child, they choose the right system, because a parent's biggest responsibility is not pride, it's security, stability, and dignity for their child's future. And moreover, these universities are ranked higher and highest in the world. So your child will be studying at the world-renowned universities, and that's the matter of pride itself. Admissions last a few months, but the consequences of this decision last a lifetime. So if you want to understand how you should apply and how applying early can help in this universities, contact Higher Education Center overseas for more details, and I will see you in the next video.